Hello, I'm Dragos, and in this video we're gonna check an ChatGPT alternative that can help you with your day-to-day tasks. You don't need to create any account to use this tool. It's totally free, and this tool, besides the ChatGPT functionalities, has also functionalities like the possibility to generate images, and it can do that with MidJourney or Stable Diffusion. You can choose from one of them. Another thing that this tool can help you with is to generate articles. So you can ask him to write some articles for you, like you have a limit like 10 articles a day that can be generated. This tool is called u.com, and it's basically a search engine that is doing all of these things for you. It's free, and you should give it a try and see. So this is the interface of u.com, the search engines, and in here you can type a search, for instance, best laptops, and here is the output in search engines. But the important features of this are the AI functionalities, and in here you have the chat, for instance. They have the uChat, where the chatbot, it will respond to the search that you've sent him. So you see in here like the best laptop of 2023, it's a Dell MacBook Air M2, and yeah, things like that. Also you have the websites. For instance, if you want to ask him something about coding, let's say, you can do that. You can ask him this: please write the code to add the custom field on our commerce checkout, and in here he will provide you the code for this thing. It's well formatted, and also it will provide you the links to their documentations that you can follow. So the chatbot can the uChatbot can help you replace ChatGPT. You don't need an account to use these things. Other things that you can help you with is to generate images. So in here you see that it has an imagine tab, and in here it will ask you to choose the mode. Hey there, I'm so glad that you are watching my video. If you are enjoying my content, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel and be part of my community, so in this way you don't miss out any future videos. Thanks for considering this, and let's continue with the video. I ask you to choose the model for the image. You see like Stable Diffusion and MidJourney. So for instance, I will test this with an text. This is the text. Describe the image to be created: dog in a park on a grass in a sunny day. I just want to see what he will come up with. So I will hit the generate image, and we should have the image in this part. It will take a couple of seconds, I guess up to a minute, for this to be generated. So you see here that it provided the image to us. The image is 700 pixel, or in 700. If we ask MidJourney, let's see what he will do. You have to add two engines models that you can choose from. So you see here that this is was generated using MidJourney. Again, you can download the image and save it if you want. Let me save it to downloads. Show in folder. Let's see the informations for this. And in here we have the image informations. This one, it has 520 pixels by 520 pixels. The MidJourney one. Other thing that this can help you do directly is to write articles. So it has a write thing in here, and in here you see that you have the you write, and this thing can help you have 10 writings a day. So for instance, in here you have the options to tell it what to write. You have the options to tell to write like something for social media, a title, a blog. Let's say, for instance, we'll try this blog thing. It will be professional. audience optional. I will not put anything in here. I will ask him to write an article with best WordPress LMS plugins to see what it came up with. Let's see. I mean, all of these are for free, so you don't need to pay anything. This can be a great resource for you that you can use. Also, this doubles up as a search engine that can replace Google. So you see here that he wrote something for us. You see that this thing is trimmed. It doesn't have all the text, but yeah, it can help you write various things if you want, and all of these are for free. It can help you write titles, essays, social media posts, for instance. We can ask him to do this for a social media. Yes, overwrite. You see in here that this was created for the social media posts, so this can be very useful, given the fact that it's free. Also, you can ask the chat the chat to do that. So if we're gonna ask him, for instance, to, let me take the text, to create a Facebook ad on how you can create a WordPress blog. In here you see that it created this for us. You can, are you ready to get started with your own WordPress blog? With our step-by-step tutorial, you can learn, create a blog quickly and easily. So to use this thing, you don't need an OpenAI account or a ChatGPT account. You just visit the u.com and you came in here and you go to chat and you can start using it right away. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed u.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.